everyone, my name is Elena. You're welcome and thank you for watching my channel. Today we are going to do a nice workout, short one for hips, mobility, flexibility and strength. And also I want to show you some elements of articular gymnastics for your hips and inner thighs. Short one but very useful one. Pilates today. And you need your mat and block. But even if you don't have your block, you can do it as well. So let's start. Do a short warm up. Inhale, hands up, breathe, and then exhale. Again, up, and then down. Once again, up, and down. Great. I want to remind you that you should pull your tummy in, keep your core tight, shoulders down, and keep your back straight. Okay, bend your legs. So bend your knees and then move your hips forward and back. Forward and back. You rotate your hips forward and back. Do it for 10 times, 10-12 times approximately. And keep breathing. Keep your core tight. Very good. Super. That's it. Excellent. And then I want you to move your hips to the one side, far there, and then to the other side. And mind that your body weight now is on one leg, and then when you switch, your body weight is more on the other leg. And keep going and breathe. You can place your hands on your sides, on your waist, and keep going. And again, make sure that you keep your core engaged. Okay, good. And the same, you move your hips forward and then back. Forward and then back. I'll show you this way. Forward and back. Forward and back. Keep your core, tummy in, and keep moving your hips forward and back. Forward and back. And make sure that your tailbone is looking down to the floor. Okay, and then 4 points. To the side, forward, side, back. Side, forward, side, back. And big circle. So draw big, nice circle with your hips. Try to not move with your chest, just your hips. And keep breathing. You can stay on your legs straight, or you can bend your legs. Good. And then other direction. To the side, forward, side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And big, great circle. Keep breathing. Move with your hips only. Very good. Okay, excellent. And then open your legs more and place your block just straight under your chest on the floor. Place your hands on the floor and then move your hips to the one side, to the other side. But mind that your body weight in the center, not only on your arms or on your heels, just in the center. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So move your hips, and at the same time, when you move your hips to the side, you feel nice stretch for your inner thighs. I recommend you to keep your legs straight, and important, keep your back straight. Move your hips back, and then make sure that you keep your back straight, or keep your legs bended the same. Move your hips to the one side, then to the other side. It's like in Roxette video. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. Okay. Good. Then leave one hand on the block and lift up the other one. Stay up. And then switch. Keep breathing all workout long. Okay, now you might feel that your shoulders are turning to the side and then your hips turning. And then the last one. Very good. And then make sure that your toes are looking to the sides, to diagonal. And then try to sit down. Feel the nice stretch for your inner thighs. Your knees are looking to the sides. Keep your back straight. Sit down and up. Like a deep squat, but keep your legs open and knees are looking up to the ceiling. Keep breathing. Good. That's beautiful. And then last one, and that's it. Stay here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Then put your legs together, relax. Slowly sit down as we are going on a mat. So put your feet on the floor, leave your hips on the floor and relax with your chest and shoulders. I want we work with hips, static field. Move forward, so move your hips up forward, but don't leave them up, just rotate forward and back, forward and back. When you move your hips forward, your lower back is on the floor, so there is no room between your lower back and your mat. When you move your hips back, there is a room, arch between your mat and your lower back. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Keep breathing, relax with your chest and shoulders. Very good. Okay, it should be easy to do. And then the last one. Okay, super. Then put your feet together and keep your feet close to your hips and knees together. Open your knees to the sides and close. Open and back together. Okay, then the last one. Excellent. Super, and we are done. Then open your legs, open your feet, the same as your shoulders. And we are going to lift hips up, squeeze your glutes, and move your hips to the ceiling. Lift them up and then down. Slowly up, exhale, and down, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Again, up, exhale, and then inhale. Again, up and down. Good. And stay up and squeeze your glutes. Lift your hands up to the ceiling. Don't put pressure on your chest or shoulders or your neck. Stay just with your glutes squeezed. Okay, and then put your hips down on the floor. Excellent. Okay, then lift your hips up again and turn your hips to the one side, like to the one side, and then place one glute on the floor. Just touch the floor with one glute, back to the center. Then turn and touch the floor with another glute, back to the center. Then turn, touch the floor with your glute, and then up. Turn, touch the floor, and up. And then place your hips on the floor and just relax. Then lift your hips not that high, in the middle, and rotate your hips. Big circles with your hips. And keep breathing. One direction and then reverse. Excellent, and we are done. Good. Place your feet close to your inner thighs. Keep your knees together, then knees to the sides, back together, to the sides, together. Good. The last one, and then leave your knees to the sides, feet together. Keep your feet close to your hips and stay here. Relax. This is butterfly lying down. Okay, very good. And then articular gymnastic. Place your block under one knee and draw a big circle with your knee. One direction for 6 times. Keep your core engaged and keep your lower back on the floor. And then reverse. You can use small ball or any other object to put between your knee and under your knee, sorry. Okay, good, and then we are done. You can switch to the other leg. So keep your leg up, place your block under your knee, and then draw a big circle with your knee, with your leg. And reverse. Excellent, we are done. Great, and we can turn over and do a frog movement. From tabletop position, open your knees to the sides and keep your legs 90 degrees, so your thighs to your ankles 90 degrees bended. And try to open your legs, open your knees to the sides and feel the nice stretch for your inner thighs. Steady on your forearms and try to move forward and back. A bit forward and then back. As you're moving, you feel the stretch for your inner thighs. And this is nice stretch for our hips as well. Forward and back. You might feel that your knees are sliding to the sides. That's okay, that's a good sign. Stay on your forearms, keep your core engaged. Okay. Good, and then slowly put your feet and knees together, relax in the baby's pose. Good. Keep breathing. slowly stand up. Thank you for this great workout. I'm so happy if you do it at home yourself, and stay healthy. We are done for today. See you in my next videos.